These miniature restoration videos are going extremely viral on social media right now, and this Instagram page has gained 72,000 followers just by posting this exact style of content. 2 of their videos have already crossed 10.1 million and 7.1 million views. There is something about watching a broken miniature object get restored to perfect condition that people simply cannot stop watching. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. Without wasting any extra time, let us get straight into the process. But before we start, 83% of our viewers have not subscribed yet. If you want to keep getting tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button right now. First, open ChatGPT and ask it for some engaging miniature restoration objects. Hit enter and it will provide you a list of interesting objects to choose from. Go through the list and select the one that feels the most visually satisfying and pick it. Keep it ready because you will need it in just a moment. Now, head over to the description below and open the detailed prompt file. Copy the full prompt from start to finish, every single word of it. Now, open Google Flow and select the video option. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set your desired output timing to 10 seconds. Paste the full prompt directly into the field. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your chosen object, and paste it inside the designated object sections within the prompt. Once everything is in the right place, click Generate. Wait just a few seconds, and your miniature restoration video will be completely ready to go viral on the internet. Now have a look at another one I created using the exact same method. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.